My name is Nugget Shoop, and I'm from Moab, Utah. So we decided to move back to the valley. I was born in this valley, and I'm actually a fifth generation from here. You can be in the desert right here, and 15 minutes you can be right on the snow mountains, on the snowy mountains right there behind us. I bought a 45 by 75 by 18, I think it's 18 high, from Eric Beavers from Great Western Buildings. He had this building whittled out in about 15 or 20 minutes, and I said, yeah, that looks perfect. That's exactly what I want. And come home, my wife picked the colors, and it's going to be a Barndominium. It'll be a home on the end. I own some really nice semis, so I'll park the semis in here and have a little house in the back there. And then I can just lock the doors and lock the semis in and head for Arizona and just get out of here. I'm a fair weather guy. I like to go wherever the weather's good. They told me when it was done, I pulled in there, and there was about 6 guys. They loaded it up and had the dunnage all set, and we strapped it down and hauled it over here and parked it right here and we just took it off the trailer one piece by piece and stacked it up. Yeah, we're gonna have an awning that comes off the side over here. It's 50 foot, so it'll be 50 by 12 foot awning, and then the gutter will be a step down gutter system that goes along the awning part. And then in here we're gonna have a 2-story living quarters. It'll be 1,100 down, 1,100 up. It'll be 1 bedroom, 2 bath down, 2 bedroom, 1 bath up, then 2 living rooms up, 1 upstairs, 1 downstairs. And then, yeah, it's one thing I really wanted, because I have custom stretched out Peterbilts, and I have really tall pipes, 13.9. So one of my big deals is I had to have 14-foot doors so I could get my stacks in. And me and Maria own a huge 45-foot motorhome, a triple axle motorhome that we want to pull in here, and we put a drain system in there, and we'll be living in our motorhome while we're building our house. A friend of mine, Lloyd Wilson, put the building up. My other friend did the concrete, Brian Ballard. They both did a phenomenal job on it. I love how easy it come together. I really liked working with Eric. He made it simple. There's a few things missing, and we called, and he says, oh, come over here. That's why we picked Great Western, because Grand Junction's only 100 miles from here, so we could bomb over there and get what we needed. We've saved our whole life for this, pretty much. We're not borrowing no money. We're doing everything just out of pocket. We save, and this is how it comes. And we love the building. We were really more than pleased with the building. The color turned out like what we thought it was going to. No, we're really happy with it.